Hey!
Does the First Amendment mean that you can't assemble on the steps of City Hall?
Okay, I'm gonna get her.
Do we have any civil rights left? Or is that only for the 1%? Who here is
Make
rich?
sure I'm next. Would you bring her?
I hear not a peep. The new civil rights are the rights of the poor because of the rights of everyone. We are one step away from living on the street, each and every one of us. I live in a van. I have to move daily, many times. I have to change my community. I cannot have residence or the right to vote because I am homeless. So this is my right to vote, to stand here as an assembly with free speech. There is no reason to move except if somebody wants to get in. Give them space to get in.
Did you want to say something?
I do.
There you go.
Thanks.